Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eat, Relax, Thrive, your go-to spot for health, nutrition, and delicious food facts. Today we're talking about one of the juiciest superfruits, cantaloupe, also known as muskmelon. Let's find out why this fruit deserves a spot on your plate every single day. From glowing skin to a happy gut, cantaloupe is more than just a sweet summer snack. Stick around. I'm breaking down over 9 science-backed health benefits, nutrition facts, how to pick a ripe one, and tasty ways to eat it. Cantaloupe is loaded with nutrients but super light on calories. Just 1 cup of diced cantaloupe gives you 60 calories, 100% of your daily vitamin A, 95% of your daily vitamin C, and 1.5 grams of fiber. Plus, it's got potassium, B vitamins, and antioxidants. It's hydrating, nourishing, and honestly perfect for clean eating. Alright, so here are the top health benefits of eating cantaloupe regularly. First, it's super hydrating. With over 90% water, cantaloupe helps you stay cool and hydrated. Next, it gives you glowing skin and sharp vision, all thanks to vitamin A and beta-carotene, which really boost your skin health and eye function. Third, it supports strong immunity. Vitamin C is great for strengthening your immune system and speeding up recovery. Then for your digestion, the fiber in cantaloupe keeps things smooth and supports overall gut health. It's also heart-friendly. High in potassium, so it helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. As a natural anti-inflammatory, it's loaded with antioxidants like lutein and choline, which fight free radicals. For energy and metabolism, nutrients like B6, niacin, and folate help boost metabolism and energy production. If you're looking to lose weight, cantaloupe is low-calorie and high-volume, so it keeps you full longer without the guilt. And finally, it's blood sugar friendly. With a low glycemic load, it's safe for most people in moderation. When you're shopping for cantaloupe, here's how to pick the perfect one. The rind should be a creamy beige color with a raised net pattern. Give the stem end a sniff. It should have a sweet, musky scent. And if you press the blossom end gently, it should give just a little, but not be mushy. There are honestly so many delicious ways to eat cantaloupe. You can have it sliced fresh with a sprinkle of lime, or blended into smoothies. It's awesome mixed into fruit salads, or even frozen into popsicles for summer. And if you want to get a bit fancy, try wrapping it in prosciutto for a sweet and salty snack. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't sleep on cantaloupe. It's nutritious, delicious, and super refreshing. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And drop a comment. What's your favorite way to eat cantaloupe? I'd love